In this product tour, we'll show you some of the capabilities of Live Experience Cloud, and we'll show you in-app engagement using real-time capabilities such as HD voice, HD video, screen sharing, and annotation. We'll show you how customer context, captured from a variety of areas, including the customer's place in the app, CRM, and business rules you've created, is used to create engagement scenarios to help deliver meaningful customer experiences. Jane's having trouble with her home theater system. She opens the company's app and navigates to the support page within the app. She can easily contact remote support with a couple of clicks. At the bottom right, there's a control to connect directly with customer service, with a tap on the microphone. The customer service agent sees the call coming in, and even before she answers, she knows that Jane is calling from her iPhone and is using the company's mobile app. Jane's based in San Francisco, and she has some issues with her home theater system and is calling in for help. Jane can see that she's connected to Lauren. The call is being recorded, and she can switch between headphone and speaker. She can pause and resume as she desires. Jane explains the trouble she's having. The agent suggests that she can help better if she can see the connections Jane has made. Jane gets a prompt on her phone asking to share the camera. She can see what camera view is shared, and that the camera is actually pointed at the problem site rather than her. And then, click the share button. And once she shares the camera, the customer service agent can now see exactly what the issues are and can easily help. A seamless transition from one channel to another. If during the call Jane needs to put the agent on hold, she can easily do that by hitting the pause button on the app. When she hits it again, the interaction resumes. Once the connections are complete, the video can be turned off and returned to a voice call without any interruptions. With Live Experience, the customer service interaction is seamless, whether it's voice or video, and the interactions are personal and directed. Customer context is an important aspect of Oracle Live Experience Cloud, and a key part of the engagement scenarios. Context is captured and transmitted from the customer to the associate prior to the connection being established. Context is derived from multiple sources: device and its type, user identity, and their location. Where the user is within the application, the steps or paths they took to get there, are they in the user registration part of the app, or are they looking for troubleshooting information? Data about them from a CRM system. This would include things like their purchase history, account balance, lifetime value, and so on. All of these determine how you as a business engage with the customer, the initial channel of engagement available to them, HD voice, HD video, screen share, or annotation, including transitions from one to the other, and the controls that are visible in the app. Engagement scenarios determine how you and the customer engage with each other. It codifies the interaction model, available channels, ability to transition, and so on. Engagement scenarios come about from customer journey mapping work you've done previously. We've provided 6 predefined scenarios. You can use them as is, modify them simply and easily within the provided user interface to suit your needs, or create your own new ones, no programming required. To illustrate the concept, let's use one of the predefined scenarios. As an example, here's how the scenario called short code drives interaction and engagement. Let's say you want a bank associate to quickly be able to look at a customer's screen and have the customer point out issues they're having. In this engagement scenario, the customer will be able to share their screen with the associate. The associate connects with the customer-provided code. The customer has a control at the bottom of the screen that starts the interaction. A code is generated, and the customer reads the code to the associate on the other end. The associate then enters the provided code into their portal. The customer then gets a prompt to share their screen. Customer and associate are now connected, and the associate can see the customer's screen. The customer can tap the control bar at the top to stop the sharing at any time. Also, the customer can use the annotate tip to point out items on their screen. The associate can follow along to see the annotations in real time. The entry session is being recorded and will be available to the bank for future reference as soon as the call completes. Screen share and annotation help the associate resolve the customer's problem quickly. We've shown you how engagement scenarios drive your engagement and interaction with the customer. You can use them or create new ones using the Add Engagement Scenario button. New scenarios can easily be created using a point-and-click user interface without the need for any programming. In this product tour, we've shown you interactions over digital channels with seamless transitions. We've also described engagement scenarios and how they use context to drive the channel of interaction.